I'm John Goheen. I'm a senior professional in residence at Loyola University Chicago. We have varieties of journalism programs. We have what I would call a boutique film program, a communication program, and a really robust ad PR program. The first cameras we got were Canon XF400s. We have 10 of those. They've held up really, really well. We recently purchased 30 XA75s and found that they're user-friendly. Their menu settings make it so easy for beginners.
I hadn't really worked with any sort of camera besides my phone before, so it was very fun to use and very easy to use and easy to learn.
So for intro level, they learn probably basic menu setting and they get decent quality. Then gradually to move to advanced production or to commercial production, they might want to have a little bit more menu setting to get the effect they want. So it's a kind of a smooth learn step by step instead of jump from one camera to another camera from scratch again.
You want to make sure it's set to the M mode when we're setting these things up. What you're going to want to do is something that's called face detection and tracking. It's going to be really helpful for interviewing.
The auto face tracking feature is imperative. When you're getting interviews on the street or in certain environments, you have to be quick and you have to be able to get that shot immediately. And that just really makes everything a lot easier as a journalist.
Having that auto face tracker made me able to focus on the storytelling aspects. I was able to focus more on my job.
Lock that little toggle switch so the camera can't slide forward or backwards. This class is called Intro to Video for Journalists. All journalism majors, whether you're print or broadcast, must take this Intro to Video production because everything in print these days has some sort of video component. Their first few assignments, they work collectively, but ultimately they'll work solo. Okay, and which is primarily the kind of job you're going to get out of college is working as a solo journalist. They might be the in-house videographer for a hospital or any number of businesses, from social media to nightly news. When I was a freelancer working in industry as a journalist, I had a basically one size big old camera. Nowadays, you can build your camera to whatever your preferences are, what lenses you want to have and other components that you want to add. You can make them as big as you want or compact as you want. The cameras that we're putting in the hands of our students is the kind of camera they might get when they go into industry.
I've been lucky enough to tour around other professional news networks, and all the equipment that they are using is what we are using. Immediately as I graduate and I enter the world of journalism, I'm gonna know what I'm using and how to use it.
The first thing I noticed upon walking into the newsroom at the School of Communications was the high caliber of their equipment that they use, and I knew I wanted to be at a school that had that professional feel that could really prepare me for the business I want to go into.
As a small institution, sometimes we're also concerned how much help we could get because we don't have many tech support staff members. But with the Canon, usually I could just directly contact the rep. We're not just kind of like a client and vendor relation. We kind of become friends.